are labor shortages and high turnover. Meet your most dependable worker. Wanerx Cobot Palletizer. It never takes a break. Engineered to handle 30-kilogram payloads effortlessly, it delivers a consistent 8 to 10 cycles per minute, shift after shift. Worried about complex programming? Don't be. Our high-definition touchscreen features built-in recipe management, turning any operator into an expert instantly. For tasks that pose severe ergonomic risks to humans, the WX-2000 column palletizer takes over, safely lifting up to 150 kilograms with zero damage. We build machines to outlast your toughest demands. Powered by excellent components like Inovance and Schneider, we guarantees maximum uptime and lowest maintenance. Eliminate bottlenecks and slash your overhead today. Standardized, mass-produced quality from Wanerx means a rapid return on your investment. Click the link in the description to calculate your ROI or book a live virtual factory tour right now.